ThyssenKrupp Acciai Speciali Terni. This is the only stainless steel works in Italy. Capacities have been established here for around 1.5 million metric tons of stainless steel. The production of stainless cold strip attains 700,000 tons and in top quality right the way through. The plants and facilities from SMS Simak make an essential contribution to this. In particular, the new X-Pro annealing and pickling line. The new X-Pro annealing and pickling line. With 650,000 tons of austenite and 50,000 tons of ferrite, it is one of the world's most powerful plants. The new line prepares the hot strip for cold rolling. For stainless steel production, annealing and pickling are necessary both before and after cold rolling. The task of the annealing line, recrystallization of the internal microstructure of the hot strip. The task of the pickling line, complete descaling of the strip surface. A hot strip arrives at the payoff group with 2 reels. The whole process is fully automated. Uncoiling. Leveling. Cropping. And threading. Welding into an endless strip. The strip entry accumulator. The strip enters the Dreva annealing furnace via deflector rolls. Its throughput, 134 tons per hour. A special feature of the furnace, its energy efficiency. As it enters, the strip is preheated in a radiation zone. The hot exhaust gases from the downstream heating furnaces are used for this. In 7 zones, the strip is brought up to the annealing temperature stipulated by the process model. It ranges from 820 to 1150 degrees centigrade, depending on the steel grade, thickness, and strip width. Altogether, 108 natural gas burners ensure precise temperature control. To increase their thermal efficiency, the combustion air is preheated in a recuperator. The total power of the furnaces is 44 megawatts. The burners include modern environmental technology, which greatly minimizes the nitrogen oxide output. The furnace rollers over which the strip is guided are of carousel-type design. If a roller needs to be changed, the carousel revolves. The worn roller can now be replaced without interrupting production. the 5 cooling zones. Here, the strip is cooled down with water according to defined cooling strategies, and then dried. The next stop is the pickling line via deflector rollers. First of all, into the scale breaker. This performs 2 tasks in this stainless steel plant. Firstly, it breaks up the scale for the cleaning process. And secondly, it removes the camber and straightens the strip for the narrow pickling channel. The blast cleaner with 4 blasting booths. Shot blasting techniques are used to clean the scale off the strip surface with metal shot. Up to 50% of the scale can already be removed by this. Afterwards, scale and blasting medium are separated by a filter unit, with the medium being returned to the process. The 150-meter-long pickling section now follows. Process speed 80 meters per minute. First comes the turbulence tank with sulfuric acid. The turbulence process developed by SMS CMAG excels through its high pickling capacity and low operating costs. Here the strip is guided through flat pickling channels containing spraying headers. Strong turbulences arise due to the constant inflow of acid and the low height. The entire strip surface is thus wetted with minimized acid use. Less acid also means less energy consumption for heating. 2 intermediate rinsing units with brushing machines. The strip then enters the spray pickling unit. Owing to the strict environmental requirements, a special pickling agent is used here. As the strip runs through, it is exposed to the action of acid from both pickling lines for a good 90 seconds. Every trace of scale is removed during this time. The pickling acids are reconditioned and reused. The 4-stage rinsing section with washing brushes. The strip drying section. The exit accumulator. Travel distance, 80 meters. It operates with follow-up carriages. These travel along synchronously with the strip speed and support the strip at a given point. The sensitive surface is thus protected from scratches. The surface quality is examined directly in the inspection section. The dividing shear cuts the endless strip and removes the weld seams. Sample cuts can also be taken here. A coil is now wound on the reel for subsequent cold rolling. Five persons are needed for the complete operation of the X-Pro facility, including the quality control. For a total output of 700,000 tons of stainless strip each year. However, also as regards to its product quality, its energy efficiency and its environmental friendliness, the annealing and pickling line is a prime example of forward-looking plant construction.